Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be sharing with you guys on how to make a very sweet, delicious, yummy jollof rice with just one ingredient, okay? If you are a student or if you're a busy mom, you don't have time to make that sophisticated jollof rice, then this video is for you, okay? Because with just this ingredient, you are good to go. Believe me, your jollof rice will come out so tasty, so yummy, so delicious, okay? If you be seeing my channel for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do what to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on my video, okay? And share this video to your friends, share to your family, okay? Help a sister, let them share to their friends and to their family. So guys, the only thing you'll be needing to make your own jollof rice is this Gino Party Jollof tomato seasoning mix. This ingredient has everything you'll be needing to make your own jollof rice. You don't need to add anything to your rice, just your vegetable oil, your seasoning powder, salt, your rice, and then your water for cooking your rice, okay? That's the only thing you'll be needing. For the recipe, I use 3 cups of rice and 2 sachets of this Gino Party Jollof mix, okay? Give it a try. Your jollof will come out so tasty, okay? If you are a student and you don't have the money to make that party jollof rice, try this Gino Party Jollof mix and your jollof rice will come out so well. All right, so guys, let's start cooking. So guys, to start with, I will heat up some amount of oil in my pan and then add in my Gino tomato mix. Allow it to fry for 4 minutes before going in with the rest. 4 minutes later, I will add in my salt, my seasoning powder. I'll add in my water, stir it, allow the water to come to a boil. Then we'll come back to add the remaining ingredients, okay? So when our water has come to a boil, I will add in my rice, give it a good stir, cover and allow the rice to cook. You see, I didn't add anything to this rice, just the Gino tomato mix, my vegetable oil for frying, and of course my water, my seasoning powder and salt. So I'm going to stir it now, cover and allow the rice to cook, okay? So guys, few moments later, I'll come back to check on the rice now. As you can see, our rice is well cooked. Like, this rice did not take me much time to prepare, and you don't need to break the bank to enjoy your jollof rice, okay? Just follow this process and then you are good to go. Look how our rice came out, so yummy, so colorful and yet delicious, okay? So guys, that is it for this video. Let me know in the comment section if you be trying out this recipe. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my video to your friends, share to your family. Okay, stay safe guys, until I come your way next time. Bye.